Good morning, everyone. Today is the next day, and the kids are supposed to be back today. My dad was going to bring them up, but we decided to go ahead and meet them halfway so that he wouldn't have to take the whole trip up and then, go back. Because it is like 4-hour trip. So we're driving 2 hours, he's driving 2 hours. We're meeting halfway, and then we're picking the kids up. Plus, it kind of gives us an opportunity to surprise them because before we came back from Nashville, we stopped by a dealership just to look at bigger vehicles because unfortunately we do need a bigger vehicle after this new baby arrives. We were not fitting in what we had anymore. And we ended up buying a new SUV that fits us all comfortably. And we are currently in it, and we're going to go pick them up in it. And they have no idea. So we're kind of excited to see, what their reaction is. And so, yeah, we're about to head out and go pick them up. Nelson feels there's a very important detail that I left out.
It was her anniversary gift for 15 years.
So after 15 years of being with this guy, I finally get my prize. All right, so we are back at home. We ended up going out to eat with the kids, and then we stopped at a store real quick to pick up something, and then now we're back at the house. The kids are unpacking all their things, and Nelson and I are going to finish the last window. We didn't get to do Thalia's window last night because it just got too late for us, and so we're going to go ahead and install her curtain rods. Her curtains are ready to be installed. I ironed everything last night. We just have to put the rods up and then kind of do a few things up here as far as rearranging furniture in her room. And then I also want to go through a couple of boxes of my 10-year-old's room because she's got a ton of boxes of toys in there that she hasn't even gone through yet since we moved in. And we kind of need the space. So it'd be nice to be able to whittle those down a little bit and get rid of some stuff that she doesn't use anymore. So that's what we're doing right now.
Hey, Bobby. Bobby's an apple. Bobby, apple. Bobby.
Yeah?
Apple.
Apple, yeah.
Okay, that again.
Let me try.
All right, so this room is still a work in progress. I have the curtains up, but I wasn't able to fix the rods or affix them permanently because I need the ladder in here. My daughter had 5 moving boxes worth of toys, and we went through all of them. We threw away a ton of stuff, and we also donated a ton of stuff. And we were able to get them all out of here. I'm vacuuming right now. Those plastic bins I still have not gone through, and there's still just random stuff everywhere that we've got to fix. I want to rearrange her room, but I think we're going to get my son a bigger bed, so we're going to end up probably putting this one in Thalia's room, and then we're probably going to put Achilles' bedroom or his bed here because he needs a bigger one. So we're probably going to go with a full size for her because that's what he has. And then we're just kind of gonna do this all over again. This obviously has just been temporary. This is kind of how she slept this entire time. She used to have a little mini kitchen right here. We put the kitchen in Thalia's room because it's more for her size now. It was something that, she kind of kept forever. And so now that Thalia is pretty much the one who actually fits to the kitchen, we're just gonna give it to her. We're gonna have it in the nursery. So that's out of here. We will come back another day to go through all this stuff. But at least I was able to clear this place up of all these boxes. They were all stacked here. There's like 3 and 2 boxes. All 5 of them are out of this room. So I still have to get a couple things. My cleaning supplies are over there because I was wiping down her windows. Um, Eventually I will have to get curtains for this one because these are high waters and I don't like them. But for right now, those work. It works with her little, yellow walls. So I'm going to finish vacuuming here really quick. And she's taking a shower. She's getting ready for bed soon because obviously the kids have to go to school tomorrow. And I'm just going to wrap this up. But I am so happy that we are done with her boxes. And I think actually she still has more, like maybe 1 or 2 more boxes left in the bonus room that we have to go through. But at least all the ones that were in here are gone. We just have to do some tidying up. So I'm currently in my bedroom right now. All the kids are upstairs. They're going away to bed. They're all tucked in or about to get done. Yeah. I have this one over here having her little night-night bottle. She's in her bed right now, all cozied up. She's about to go down. So I'm going to go ahead and sign off. We got a lot of stuff done today. We immediately had the kids unpack all their stuff from their grandparents. They, went shopping. They had their clothes and everything. They unpacked. They put everything away. Finished that curtain rod on the last bedroom. I vacuumed upstairs in some areas, not everything. Got rid of a ton of stuff that we didn't need. Donations, trash. I was able to, do so much in my at Aselli's room, my 10-year-old. She really needed it. There's still a couple of boxes in our bonus room that belong to them of things that need to go in their rooms and stuff that we still haven't been able to get to. So now that we've gone through all that stuff, we can bring the next, I guess,
Mommy.
phase. Yeah.
Baby.
We could bring the next ones over and we can go through those. So we have a lot to do because we want to make sure that we get as much as done as possible before the baby arrives. So we had a good start today, and tomorrow everybody's going to go to school. I actually have a doctor's appointment I have to go to tomorrow. So I'm getting sniffles. Yeah, I actually have a doctor's appointment. I have to go to that appointment, and then I'll come right back. And then my oldest has cheerleading practice, and it's just going to be another one of those busy school days. So I am going to say goodnight. Maybe tomorrow will be a little bit more eventful. I know it probably didn't show as much today, but we were just so busy when the kids got home and they were just excited, and we were catching up, and a lot of conversations and a lot of things going on, and we just had to focus on that for today. So, all right. This one's getting a little bit excited. If I don't go now, she'll never go to sleep. So, y'all have a good night, and I'll see you guys back here tomorrow.